In this video, we're going to cover how to use SparkLend and earn yield on our stablecoins. The first thing we're going to check is we connect our wallet, then we select our network of choice. I'm using Gnosis Chain. Next, we want to be in the Markets tab and select the token that we are going to deposit. I'm depositing XDAI or wrapped XDAI, and I'm going to click deposit. I want to approve the token, and then I'm going to deposit. Now our stake is earning yield. So we're earning 8.34% on average per year, and if I want to borrow it, I can pay 9.35%. As an added bonus, if you deposit Ethereum into SparkLend, you'll be eligible for the Spark Airdrop. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.